is my paintball gun reloaded too. I have a really old video of me using it. Here's the shape. But it's kind of hard to push it back. I bought a new hopper, the reloader for it. Without an eye, the only thing about it is it makes a lot of noise. This is a stock barrel, and here's the barrel I got. This is how to clean the gun. Yeah. Here's the spring. Here's this thing. This reassemblring that goes in. Put inside this. Want to make sure everything. Yeah. Then when you're taking it apart, like taking the board out, you push the trigger like that, and it's out, and you just take that out. Now you're good. And then here's the striker code. You're gonna go on YouTube. That was my sister. Like total comedian. And here's the striker plug. Here's the bolt. So that's it, pretty much. And there's like nothing to do with the gun. There's this thing. That's it. Then you just like
I was calling you!
and then
Oh, wait, how much? Oh, yeah, that's cool. Okay.